knitting is a binary activity. It's like the Morse code. So you can, in a sweater, encode anything you want, providing that you agree a certain code. She cycled in the areas where she was buying, and she would pretend to have a knitting in the basket of the bicycle, but then she would stop and knit, encoding the position of the enemies. The first rebellious act was actually related to wool. The women decided that they were going to produce everything that was needed. And they did it together in groups. They called them the spinning bees, because they would get together and busy work all day. And this went on up to the War of Independence. Then when the war started, of course, somebody had to clothe the army. And again, the women did that. It's a way to protest against primarily a degradation of the environment, which can be related to crime, to neglect. And because knitting takes time, the idea is to show that people care.